Prime factorization using the birthday cake method. We're going to factor out 42. So first what we're going to do is we're going to start with 42 at the bottom of our cake. And I'm going to, like we always do, we're going to write out our prime numbers. Okay, we're going to start with 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. And of course they go up 13 and so on, but these are the ones that we're going to use first until, we need to try some other numbers. So let's start with our number 2 since it's even and it ends in a 2. So we're going to start with the 2, and this is our division symbol right here. We're going to act as its division, and we're going to divide. 2 can go into 4 2 times. 2 can go into 2 1 time. Then we got to ask ourselves, well, what's the next layer? A 3 can go into 21, so 3 can go into 21. That'll be 7 times. We're going to work our way all the way up till we get our 1 at the top. Now, we've also learned that our 1 is not prime because it doesn't have any more factors other than itself. And in order to be prime, we have to have 1 and itself. So 1 is the loneliest number because it's not prime. So when we do our prime factorization, we can't include the 1, but we will include our 2, 3, and our 7, and we will write it out as such. Let's try one more. We're going to try one more, and we're going to do 50 this time, because I know we'll have a bunch more numbers with that. Okay, so again, my cake plate is going to have 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11 to start off with. What are we going to divide on to our 50 first? Let's do a 2, good even number. Okay, 2 can go into 5 2 times, and 2 can go into 10 5 times. Now I've got 25. Well, let's see, I know a 5 can go into 25 with 5 left over, and of course we have to end on our 1 for our birthday cake. You can give it a little flame if you want.
It's going to rip up the blanket.
All right, now let's see what we have left. So we can't use our 1 because he's not prime. So we've got our 5s and our 2. So when we write out our prime factorization, we'll start off with 2 because 2 is smaller. And then instead of writing 5 times 5, this is when we use our exponents. So we have 2 5s, and I've got okay, so I have 2 5s, and because we have 2 5s, we're going to use an exponent since we're multiplying. So I'm going to rewrite this to 1 2 times, and I'm going to put an exponent above my 5 with a 2 because I have 1 2 5s. That's where we get the exponent. So the factorization of 50, so you can see it big, factorization, the prime factorization is 2 times 5 squared. Outside.